Hello guys and welcome back to another amazing episode on DashCam channel. Today, we prepared a really cool episode full of all sorts of crazy moments captured on driver's dashcam, so make sure to sit tight and enjoy the show. This is only a small glimpse of what the drivers have to put up with in traffic. Check out this crazy pedestrian who's casually walking in the middle of the road without a single care, and on top of that, he's even looking at his phone as if he's on the pavement and not in the middle of the road, endangering himself the most. Never be in a rush to make a turn, especially if your view is blocked, like in this situation here, but the driver who made a turn didn't bother looking at all. To be fair, the driver who was passing could have been a bit slower as well.
Legal commentator on CNN is very liberal, but even he is saying this is ridiculous. Look, the text of the 14th Amendment, Section 3, here's what it says. It says, quote, "No person shall be a senator or representative in Congress, or elected president and vice president."
It's always difficult and a bit tricky to drive at night, because you can never know how other drivers might react. In this situation here, a crazy semi-truck driver was dangerously passing and he nearly caused a head-on collision. Keeping a safe distance between you and other vehicles is of crucial importance in traffic. Don't be like this crazy semi-truck driver who dangerously cut right in front of the camera, nearly causing a wreck.
There you go, fucking JB, you dumb son of a goddamn bitch. That's real fucking good. Real good, you fucking good. Real good, you fucking asshole, yeah. Fucking throw your fucking hand up like a goddamn dumbass.
always, Coach, we appreciate you joining us. Pencil you in for next Monday?
You betcha. I appreciate it.
As always, thanks so much for joining us, East Family. Want to remind you that Dan is brought to you by MJ Green.
In this video right here, you will have the opportunity to witness some crazy and reckless drivers doing some crazy things on the road. We have a lot of red light runners, and it's even shocking to see how people treat traffic lights nowadays. It's almost impossible.
Even without the phone. Hello, old friend. I spoke quietly as I stepped through the doorway. Oh, you. Clutching the phone to her chest, she took a step back, gasping. She squinted, studying me. Sense of the player that he is at that point. So while he builds up to that, I don't get the feeling that he's in this sort of rush and that he's really trying desperately to...
Well, I think we've all just witnessed one of the greatest sporting stories of all time, and frankly are witnessing, because Matt and I are watching it on replay. So we were woefully unprepared for the weather that was absolutely not forecast by whatever clowns call themselves French weather forecasters. It's been an absolute horror show.
And with this video, we conclude another amazing episode on DashCam channel. I hope you guys enjoyed watching it, maybe learning a thing or two based on how to behave in traffic. If you like this type of content, support us with a like, because that will mean the world to us. And while you're at it, subscribe and click on the bell button as well. Until the next episode, drive safe and stay safe.